Hello and happy Thursday, guys. You have made it over halfway through the week, so good job. Um, first thing, confession. I downloaded TikTok last night. I wasted way too many hours watching TikTok. Anyways, that was my confession. Bad idea. Two, it's raining outside. That made me sad because I wanted to go for a walk. But it was raining, so I stayed inside. Three, I don't have a third confession. That was it. So, that being said, this morning I was listening to a podcast, and this guy was talking about, he was reading Psalm 46, and so I thought I'd share that with you guys as well. So, Psalm 46 starts with, God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear, though the earth gives way, though the mountains be moved into the heart of the sea, though its waters roar and foam, though the mountains tremble at its swelling. There is a river whose stream makes glad the city of God, the holy habitation of the Most High. God is in the midst of her, and she shall not be moved. God will help her when morning dawns. And it goes on to say, though nations rage and kingdoms totter, he utters his voice and the earth melts. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our fortress. And this verse is just talking about how steady God is and how faithful he is. And just his presence is that ever calming force. And I think especially being inside all day, it's a little like, oh man, this is kind of wild. I can't even go out on my balcony because it's cold. But just that idea of knowing that God is with us. And traditionally in like ancient cities, the cities that were, or that had a river running through them were the cities that were stronger. And so this visual that the writer gives us of there's a river running through this city of the Most High, and its streams make you glad. Like this river brings life. And so just that idea that God brings life, and it is a beautiful thing just to be in relationship with him. So I'm praying for you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on Zoom or something like that.